Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and fix broken links on SiteGround. Just tap on a Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. If you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after what does error 404 not founded look like? You may encounter the error page 404 presented in various designs and wording depending on your browser or the website you want to visit, although it points to the same underlying issue. And there are many also more reasons, but what does error 404 not found look like? You may encounter the error page 404 presented in various designs in the website. The most common broken for error are listed below: error 404 and not founded, http error, not founded page found. You add in your plugin and it's tell the solution. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.